So how does it feel?
Just a little bit. Not bad. Not bad.
Okay, so what we're doing is just we're reducing age spots, reducing the hyperpigmentation, and I'm using 1064 in nano setting. Although we're working on dark spots, this is also good for improving the fine lines and the wrinkles. Part of the package that you're getting from me is I'm gonna get you a skin lightener from our own brand skincare. That one will help.
Okay.
I will explain to you later when I check you out how to use that serum. Yeah.
All right. Thanks. It doesn't hurt at all when you first start it, but it seems like when you have to go all around it, then it hurts a little bit more. But it's not bad.
It's not bad. Good.